My entire life was a mess until I discovered these 10 spreadsheets. I'm talking about scattered finances, forgotten bills, wedding planning chaos, and zero clue about my environmental impact. Sound familiar? This ultimate Excel bundle changed everything. 10 game-changing spreadsheets that cover your entire life. Business administration, annual budget tracking, bill management that actually works. Planning a wedding? There's a dedicated budget spreadsheet. Running a business, easy bookkeeping, income tracking, and inventory management all in one place. But here's what makes this special: the eco-friendly trackers. These aren't just spreadsheets, they're your path to sustainable living. Track your LED upgrades, monitor smart thermostat ROI, calculate the real financial benefits of going green. The travel tracker? It's incredible. Carbon footprint calculations, sustainable travel planning, offset tracking, everything you need to travel responsibly. Small changes, huge impact. That's the philosophy. These tools make sustainability measurable and achievable. From time block planning to expense tracking, this bundle organizes every aspect of your life while helping you save money and protect the planet. Your future organized, eco-conscious self will thank you.